Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to disconnect Instagram account from Facebook. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Facebook. Now click on menu. Scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy. Present Settings. Here you can see Account Center. Click on this. Now scroll down. You can see here the option of Accounts. Press on this. Here you can see your Instagram account. If you want to remove this, then press on this remove option. Then go to remove account. Press on continue. If you want to remove your Instagram account from your Facebook, you have to press here yes, remove your account. That's it. So this is how to disconnect Instagram account from your Facebook account. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.